Hello guys, welcome back to the Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be looking at HLBZ. So to get straight into the technical side of the analysis, what are we paying attention to? So obviously today is downtrending, we can see it is just staying below the VWAP. But onto the more important levels, as always, we'll be going on to the standard deviation charts. On the left we have a 6 month, on the right we have the 1 year chart. And considering right now we're around 12-13 cents, what are key levels close to where we are now? So from the support side, really we don't have much. So from a standard deviation perspective, we only have one at 2 cents, and really that's not all that helpful. Even if we went that low, it's really probably not going to be a trading opportunity. It's just going to be a gamble. We do have another support. I mean, that's just going to be the 52-week low at 11 cents. But really, these kind of stocks are not something I like buying personally from the lows, because I think there's a reason they're at the lows. It's not like if you're trying to buy, a Facebook, a Meta, or a Google, whatever it is, at the 52 weeks lows, because then you are getting some sort of a discount. But considering these stocks, there's most likely a fundamental issue why they're so low. I just don't like buying them at lows. So the way I prefer to trade them is pushing up to these levels. So we can see at 35 cents and 50 cents, these are our first deviations of both the 6 month and the 1 year. Now these are levels that I would be using, because the first time we come into these, what I really expect is a pullback at a minimum, if not an overall reversal. So I literally just look to play these levels short bias. Now you can see, from the previous time we came into the levels, came into the first time, pulled back, basically a reversal as well, but really a strong pullback, definitely a good trading opportunity. We came into the second one, this one, you got the pullback at the minimum. So again, and that's why we trade it as play as a pullback, lock in profits, move my stop to break even. If it comes back to retest it, then okay, cool, I'll stop at break even. We still made a small profit. But like in a case like this, where you came into the level, you didn't really get that retest, it just faded the whole way down. You would have got the overall reversal, basically kind of a home run trade. So that's really the key levels I'm paying attention to. If we broke out of these and did a bigger push than what we previously did, paying attention to 67, $1, 132. We're going on to 143, and final levels pushing us all the way out to 235 and 329. But really, like we said, from the lows, I'm not paying attention to these support levels. If I was holding it short, maybe I would use these as targets, but again, I'm not looking to personally take the stock long at all. Where my trading opportunities come is if we can start breaking up from the 35 and the levels above. Really, the first time I'm hitting these, I'm looking to trade them short bias. And that's really the main trading plan I have with it. HLBZ, though, does have no options, as you can kind of see there. So, to me, if I'm trading it, that means, obviously, we've got to trade the outright shares, which is something I don't usually like doing as much. But it does also mean I'm only taking it as a day trade, because holding anything like this as a swing would always be super risky, because firstly, you can't hedge with an option. So you can never define your risk if you're holding it short. So to me, it's only ever going to be a day trade, because if you caught it on one like this, maybe you start hitting it short from this level at $1. When another 230 went to 239, you could be down over 200% or over 100%. And so yeah, really, it's just not something I'm looking to trade anything longer than a day trade, because it is something, and it also goes the same for being long bias. I think more chances are you can be left bag holding if you try and take it as a swing. So to me, day trading only stock, but those are the main levels I'm paying attention to, especially the resistances. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on HLBZ. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video.